To service or replace the bypass poppet on your V25, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 10mm hex wrench, unscrew the bypass plug from the pump and remove the bypass poppet spring, O-ring, bypass poppet assembly, and orifice seal. Use care as the parts are under spring tension. Inspect the O-rings for damage or wear. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Before reinstalling, remove the bypass poppet O-ring and bypass plug O-ring and coat the O-rings lightly with grease. If the poppet components contain debris, wipe them with a clean cloth. Then reinstall the O-rings and reinsert the bypass assembly into the pump.